In this video we are going to install Nextcloud on a Raspberry Pi 4 so we can upload our files from mobile and desktop devices just like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox and others, but directly to our home with a lot more privacy. Coming up! What's up, Kirill Boyanskis here, in a times where pretty much every big company tracks you down from everywhere and it's almost impossible to escape them if you are using internet. Nextcloud and the local computer are kind of fresh air of local privacy. Wait a minute here, you may ask, what is Nextcloud? Nextcloud is an open source project that you can install on your local device. It allows you to control and upload documents, pictures and everything you wish on your personal computer at home and not on the Google, Microsoft or Amazon cloud. Slap them! To successfully implement this, you need a Raspberry Pi with installed Raspberry Pi OS and secured shell access to it. If you don't know how to do that, check this video of mine and come back right here. You will also need a public static IP. You can contact your internet service provider for that. Of course, you need some kind of storage. The more the better. If you want to store your pictures and videos, you need a lot. But if you want to store only important documents, several gigabytes will be enough. For the demo, I will use a SD card for the Raspberry Pi OS and a USB drive for the Nextcloud storage. It is recommended to use SSD drives if you have some around. If you don't know how to do that, you can check this another video of mine and come back right here. Now let's install Nextcloud on a Raspberry Pi to see what will happen. I will connect to my Raspberry Pi using the SSH command thisUserPi and my Pi IP. You can use the same command in Linux and macOS. For Windows, you will need an SSH client like PUTTY. The default password is a Raspberry. You can change the default password using this command, passwd, but I'll leave it like that for the sake of this demo. And to install Nextcloud, I will use this command, this one-liner. Copy and paste. You can get this line from my video description and I'll hit enter. Depending on your storage speed, in my case after around 30 minutes, you should see something similar in your terminal. Now you can visit this address, for example. This is my Raspberry Pi IP. You can also try with these several URLs. Nextcloud is installed. Let's open it by typing our Raspberry Pi IP in a browser. I'll open a new tab and I'll paste my IP here. This warning is because I don't have SSL certificate yet. I'll click on show details, visit this website again. I'll use my password here. And this is the Nextcloud Pi activation screen. The personal cloud from home using Nextcloud and a Raspberry Pi will not be as reliable as the big cloud services in terms of availability, unless you have good UPS, more than one independent internet providers and regular backups. But most of the time the service should be up and running and you can enjoy it for regular home usage. These are my passwords. I will copy them and I'll paste them right here in my notes for now. The first one is for Nextcloud Pi and the second one is for Nextcloud. I'll hit activate. Now I have to use this password. The first one. The user is NCP. I'll choose remember this password and login. And here it is. My Nextcloud Pi is running. Can you share, are you already using any cloud or local service? Can you share, are you using any local or cloud storage service? And if yes, Are you happy? I will wait your answers in the comment section below.
There is one little wizard here that we are going to use. I'll click on the Run button.
We need to format our storage drive. Thankfully, we have a nice tool for that.
I'll click on the USB configuration. Do you want to save Nextcloud data in a USB drive? I'll hit yes. I'll plug now the USB drive in my Raspberry Pi. Okay, I'm ready. I'll hit continue now. Then format USB. And finally move data to USB. On the next screen, it asks me, do you want to access Nextcloud from the outside? Yes, I want to do that. I'm not pretty sure how you can help me with that from here. I'll do it manually and then continue. I'm going to use DuckDNS here, and because I cannot choose DuckDNS anywhere, I will hit skip. And my Nextcloud Pi is ready. I have two buttons now. One is Nextcloud Pi and the other is Nextcloud. I'll open them in different tabs to see what is the difference actually. This is the Pi panel and this is the Nextcloud login. If I log in, what will I see? NCP, not TCP. Save password. Oh, I have to use the second password probably. Update. Nextcloud Hub, okay. Keep your data close. App Store, very good. Get the apps to sync your files from Google Play and App Store. Become part of the community and start using Nextcloud. And this is very similar to OneDrive, Dropbox and the others. So it seems this is the configuration panel and this is the web interface of the Nextcloud. Very good.
Currently, our Nextcloud is running on HTTP, which means that the exchange data is unencrypted. And if you leave it like that, you will be vulnerable to the man-in-the-middle attacks, for example. But don't worry, we will fix that in no time by using a certificate from Let's Encrypt.
Now let's fix the SSL issue by going to duckdns.org. You need an account here. You can sign in with Twitter, GitHub, Reddit, Google, and Persona, whatever it is. I will use Twitter, and this is my account in DuckDNS. From here you can add subdomains. I have 5 already, which is the maximum domains. And I will, for example, use this hit subscribe. I will update my IP by setting my real IP address here. And I'll hit update IP. Now I will go to my Nextcloud Pi panel and I'll search for trusted domains.
But we have to add our domain in trusted domain section of Nextcloud.
So my trusted domain will be hit-subscribe duckdns.org. Apply. Now I have to install the certificate. I'll return back to my Raspberry Pi terminal and now execute this command. You can get it from the video description. Yes. To start it, I'll use the next command. Enter email address. Okay, kirill@peyansky.com. I agree to Let's Encrypt terms and services. Would you like to share your email address? No. Please enter your domain names. Okay, hit subscribe.duckdns.org. Obtaining a new certificate. Waiting for verification. And yes, this is because I didn't forward my port in my router. I'm going to do that.
We need to forward some ports in our router, so when you type your public static IP, your router will forward the request to the Raspberry where Nextcloud is installed.
Okay, I had some issues with the port forwarding. I use one rule for port 443 and 80, and my script seems to work now. Just like this. I'll enter my subdomain here. Hit subscribe.duckdns.org. And because I already started this script before, I should reinstall it now by hit 1. I will choose 1 here. I will redirect all requests towards HTTPS by hitting 2 here. And it seems I'm ready.
Hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now let's continue.
Let's test it. New tab. HTTPS, hit subscribe.duckdns.org. And yes, I have valid SSL certificate. As you can see from here, the certificate is valid. Very good.
Let's install some Nextcloud clients and to upload something to see if our personal cloud is working fine.
Everything is working. I'll open nextcloud.com and I'll download the client for macOS in my case, but there is a client for Linux and Windows. I'll allow this. I'll also install the client on my phone. It is downloaded now, and I'll open and install it now. It will need my password here. Okay. Nextcloud is installed. I'll open it now. Login. My server address is HTTPS already. Hit subscribe. duckdns.org. Next. Login. My user is NCP and I don't know my password. I'll copy the password from my notes. Login. Save. Grant access. Account connected. Very good. And you can choose what to sync from the server and where to sync it. I will leave it like that and I'll hit connect. And as you can see, all the files on the server, on the Raspberry Pi, are directly synced with my MacBook. If I open the folder, I can see that every file here is synced. If I make a copy of this, for example, and if I go now to the Nextcloud interface, where it is, here it is, you can see that the Nextcloud copy PNG file is already on the server. That means everything is in sync, everything is working.
Any sort of engagement on this channel does really help a lot with the YouTube algorithm. So you make sure that you hit the subscribe, like and bell buttons if you enjoyed this video. Also, feel free to add me on Twitter by searching for this username. I'm trying to post there frequently. You can also find me on my Discord server as well. If you want to secure this channel existence, you can become one of my supporters. You can see exactly how in the video description below. I really hope that you find this information useful and you now know how to create personal cloud using Nextcloud and Raspberry Pi. Stay safe and don't forget, how smart but not hard. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.